Hey y'all, and welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching, and thank you for joining me today to see what I got in my American Influencer Awards beauty bundle. You guys know I was so excited about this box. This is a bi-monthly subscription, so it's not every month, it's every other month, and you get charged $34 for 5 to 6 full-sized items from the same brand. So these are influencer takeover brands, and you guys already know what the month of August and September is. It's Purlisse month. I have been hyping this up for the past month, ever since I got the last box, which was all MANNA KADAR. That stuff, so good. By the way, I have found a new love. Let me tell you, this powder that I got, this is the High Perfecting powder that I got in the last box from MANNA KADAR. I love it. I love it. It's so good. So I definitely have a nice little found love there, along with the spray. Been loving the spray. Anyways, I cannot wait to show you what is in here. I know so many of you guys have signed up with my code, and I will have it right here. You guys can save 10% on your first box, so if you like what you see in this box, then definitely use the code and you get 10% off of your first box, because I know you're gonna want it because it's Purlisse. And if for some reason the code isn't working, I'll have it linked below, and then I'll just take the discount off for you. By the way, it's just a code, so you can save 10%. I don't get no coin from it, so you guys, if you aren't into affiliate links, don't worry, it's not an affiliate link. I don't get nothing. If you don't want me to have anything, that's fine. It's for you. You're welcome. Anyways, I am so excited to get into this. So if you guys are loving unboxings from me, because I am your neighborhood spoiler and unboxing gal, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much to me, especially because I have noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. And if you would do me the honor and hit the subscribe button, it would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Now, if you guys follow me over on Instagram, which if you do, you guys are thebomb.com, and if you're not following me over there, what are you doing with your life? I already unboxed this on my Instagram stories and I showed you, but what's different about this video is, well, number one, I'm gonna unbox it again and show you what I got, but I'm also gonna tell you my thoughts and opinions on these products, because I have used all of these products, well, except for one, but everything else I have an opinion on, and I bet you guys are so excited to hear it, because you know I love to give an opinion around here. But I also like to hear your opinions down below, because opinions are like buttholes. We all have one. Anyways, let's open this up, and I do have to say, they did send me this box for free, 100%. All thoughts and opinions, completely honest, 100%. You don't gotta worry about that. If you saw my glossy box unboxing from like 2 months ago, they did not send me another one. They probably don't like me after that review, because I was like, no, that's garbage. This box, fantastic. Okay, I had never heard of this box before. Like, I really haven't. Like, I kind of heard of it, but like, I'm so excited that I know about this box. It's really good. Okay, so here it is, Purlisse X American Influencer Awards. So it says, be strong, be beautiful, be you. So the first item in this box is actually a Purlisse little bag, and it's so cute. It says, give your skin a burst of energy. I said the same thing when I did my Instagram story. I said the wrong word there, but it's actually a nice sized bag. It says Purlisse has a watermelon, and it's National Watermelon Month or something like that, I'm pretty sure, this month. And you can fit all the products that I'm about to show in this bag, and the bag has a retail value of $10, or just a value, because I have a card here that tells me everything. So yeah, it comes with a bag. So cute. Now, number one, this is the only item I did not review. Well, I didn't use yet, but I will. I haven't felt like putting this on yet, or any in general, but this is the Purlisse Watermelon Energizing Marshmallow Peel-Off Mask. Now, I don't have any of the packaging. I've already like thrown it around the room, so it's gone. This value is $24, and it smells straight up like watermelon. Like, it is so good. Let me show you what it looks like really quick, because it's really pretty. So this is what the mask looks like. It's like iridescent pearly glitter. I don't know if my camera's gonna pick it up, but it's seriously so stinking cute. Come on, camera, pick it up. Like, it's just so glittery and shimmery, and so cute. I will eventually use this and I will post it to my Instagram so you guys can see what it looks like, but it smells like, okay, you know those popsicles that kind of make you look like the Joker because your mouth eventually like rips in the corners? The little like freezer popsicles you get at like the dollar store and stuff. These smell like the pink ones. That's exactly what this smells like. It's like the pink like ice pops. That's what this smells like. I need to wipe this off. That's kind of like a lot of like Lush face masks, like the blue one. I just like it because it makes my face look like bright Smurf blue, and this one is so freaking cute. Anyways, next up we have this Purlisse coconut oil plus coffee body scrub. Now here's the thing, when I was talking about this on my Insta story, I was like, oh, I don't really smell the coffee, but when you're actually exfoliating your body in the shower, you do really smell the coffee. Like you can see, I have used a good chunk of it so far. Now I could use honestly this entire tube on my body at one time, so if you want it to last, I wouldn't like go hardcore, but I did scrub my legs with this. I have a lot of mosquito bites. I'm from the south. I don't know if like the north has mosquitoes, or I'm sure everyone has mosquitoes, I don't know, but they love me. I go outside for 2 seconds and it's like attack, 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 attack. So my skin's a little rough, and where the skin kind of like is pulled up and it's not healed yet from mosquito bites, if you know what I'm talking about. Well, I scrubbed my body, like my legs with that, and it really like soothed them. I don't know how to explain it. It hydrated my skin and like it kind of like exfoliated that skin away, and it didn't look as gross anymore. Like I appreciated it so much. Plus I feel like this would be really good on your feet and to really scrub off like dead skin like that, you know, because you guys should see the bottom of my feet. It ain't cute. I am really excited about this though because it's really, really good. And what I do really enjoy about this is the fact that once you like scrub your legs with it or your body or whatever, I just did my legs. I got out of the shower, my legs still felt like soft and like it had like, I don't know, not oil, but like a nice silky soft. I felt like there was something on my leg, but it was like really good. So it definitely leaves your skin feeling like you put lotion on, but you didn't. But it's not lotion, it's like an oil. I don't know how to explain it, but I love the way it made my legs feel like all throughout the night. So this was a hit, you guys, and it retails for $24. But you guys already know Purlisse is a hit no matter what. This is a little sample that they gave to you for free. I did not review this, but I've like already used it before. I had a full size. So this is the Watermelon Energizing Aqua Balm. You guys already know, I think we've gotten an IPSY and Boxycharm. If not, I know we've gotten in one of them because that's how I got it. The full size of it retails for $24, but this is just a sample. Smells amazing, just like watermelon, and you can actually use this like a moisturizer before makeup. So that is what this could be used for, or just an overall moisturizer. It's lightweight, oil-free. It's a gel cream, refreshes and moisturizes for oily, combination, normal, and even sensitive skin. So yeah, this one. Oh, let me get to like the favorite here. So this is the pink charcoal watermelon purifying cleansing milk with green tea. It gently cleanses skin, soap and sulfate free. Now this was almost like the regular charcoal one that I have, except for it didn't have the little bumpy things in it. This one comes out white and it smells just like everything else, like watermelon, amazing. And what I noticed is, you know how you can go like this and you can feel the bumps on your chin? When I used this and I was really getting it in there, the bumps went away. So it really did exfoliate the pores really well. Did it completely get rid of them? No, I still had some bumps, but I also have that PMD thing. If I would have used that, I'm sure it would have scrubbed everything out, but it left my face feeling so soft. You guys are gonna love it. It's so good if you get this box, or if you have gotten it. This one's like, this is the best product out of everything, just saying. And this also retails for $24. Next up, this is the Purlisse coconut oil plus coffee silky body butter, and it's for all skin types. Again, this is a really good lotion. I've used it. It smells really, really good, and I really don't know what else to say about it other than it makes my body feel soft and amazing. Hello, we love soft and amazing, so that's pretty much all I have to say about this, is that it feels amazing. And it makes your body really, really silky smooth, so you'll love it. And it retails for $24. And then this retails for $9.99. I think you can get this at like CVS or Walgreens or some kind of drugstore. This is the Pink Charcoal Plus Watermelon Antioxidant Face Mist with green tea. Refreshing, soothing, and hydrating. I have, you can't even tell, but I've spritzed this a few times, and it of course smells like watermelon. So, so good. I just like shot myself in the nostrils. But again, it smells just like a pink popsicle, push-up pop. You know what I'm talking about. So, so good. Love it. And I just love the smell. Like, you have no idea how excited I am to know that watermelon scent is not a migraine trigger of mine. Like, I love watermelon scent, like so, so much. Anyways, that is actually everything. $34 for all of this stuff. Like, are you kidding me? That is a good freaking value. Like, look at this. Purlisse, which you guys know, it's Asian beauty, and hello, they're all beautiful over there. It's their skincare, obviously. Yep, beauty through Asian wisdom. Exactly, you guys. And yeah, this is the complete box. $34, okay? Okay? Amazing deal, okay? Let me know down below your thoughts and opinions. Do you guys like Purlisse products? I have tried so many Purlisse products and they're all so amazing. Anyways, that is it for this video. If you enjoyed, please give this a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe. It would mean so, so much to me. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!